Hey everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Got another unboxing video for you. This time it's the ZD Racing Pirates 2 TC-8, standing for Touring Car 1/8 scale. This is the rolling chassis, so no electronics. Gonna slap my own in there and build it and give you guys a peek of what I had in mind. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tape. The box actually looks pretty good. Not gonna get into the seller. I don't want to promote them until they resolve my discrepancies right now. But let me get this cut open and show you what's inside. Alright, just got the tape cut off and gonna open this thing for the first time. Check it out. Thing looks pretty good. We'll start here. Just a basic manual. Again, Pirates 2 TC-8. Just some zip ties. I found out these are the servo savers, extra ones that they give you. I don't utilize them because I put a more powerful servo in all of my RCs, but maybe I'll leave it in here until I do take it out, or until it gives. But this thing looks pretty cool. I'm gonna get into it. Here are the parts that they include. This is the servo mount and housing for your electronics, meaning the receiver, and then they give you the motor mount plate, and then they also include pinion gear for you, and then the screws that you need. So this is a rolling chassis, everything included minus the electronics, and I'm pretty happy with the way this looks. I really don't like this body. I don't care for it, and that's why I'm gonna give you guys a little build details like I usually do. But before we get to that, I'll show you what comes out of the box in case you guys do like this and are interested. But this is the 1/8 scale touring car from ZD Racing, very similar to the MT8 and the SC8. The chassis are very similar. They use slightly different components like the support braces, the motor mounts, and I'll get into that once we open this up. But that is what comes out of the box. You get the manual and you get the RC. And just to give you another peek of what's inside. And very cool about this is they also give you the body protectors like the MT8 did, which I ended up putting on the short course truck. So the short course truck did not come with these, but the other two chassis that I've picked up have. So luck of the draw, I guess. But let me take these off. And I actually really do like these. I'm sure it's a cheap part, or you can just get washers, but they seem to hold things secure, and it puts a flat spot on the body, so it's less likely to crack from the pins. But pull this off. Again, that's pretty cool, guys. I actually pleasantly surprised with this body. I'm sure I'm gonna use it as a beater or a thrasher, but yeah, it's pretty good, and it's not too easy to come by these 1/8 scale bodies, at least from factory option. But to give you a look in the chassis, so difference that they come with is that this comes with touring car tires, or road oriented tires. 17 millimeter hex wheels, just like the other ones in the series. There you go, take a look. And then So you can see here, this is one of the things I noted. This uses the plastic support braces. I believe the short course truck and the Pirates 3 buggy version, or they have different variations, but here's a difference that you'll notice. Another thing that you'll notice is some do have a metal spur gear. I believe the MT-8 did come with a metal one, but this one and the short course truck is plastic. So it's, I don't know how they decide the combinations, but either way, no big deal. Difference also is the shocks. So these shocks are also more geared towards road versus travel and landing. And you get the foam bumper. But this is looking pretty cool, and I'm actually going to do a video for you guys on how to, or at least the steps on how to assemble one of these. I'm not going to do any time-lapse recording, but just like my FY08, give you a breakdown at least on what screws go where and how to get to what. So this is cool, but the main idea that I had for this, because I mentioned I don't care for the body, is that I actually picked up a spare Fiesta body, which I'm finding out that I think I can make fit here. So this will be pretty cool, and that's what I had planned from changing the touring car body over to another rally body, which you guys have heard me say many times that I love the rally cars. And what this will eventually be is a great comparison to the Traxxas Fiesta. And I'll tell you why, because this is something to note, that ZD Racing claims a 1/8 scale, while Traxxas claims 1/10 scale. But you'll see the wheelbase is pretty much the same, and the only difference you might notice is that it's just a little bit wider. So not by much, but because of that, I was really happy to find out that I got a spare body of a Fiesta that will fit onto here. So basically I'm gonna have two big Fiestas coming your way. But I'm super excited. But that's the unboxing and some build plans. Still debating on the motor, but because it's a rally car focus, I will likely go with the 4068 2650 kV, something a little bit quicker. And I'll probably stick to that because of all the metal on the frame and for the weight. Otherwise, I'd probably use the 3670 2850 kV. But I like the 40 series motors with the power difference and the torque difference. So that's what I have coming. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys want to see, and what questions you have, and I'll be glad to answer them.